converted to our alpaca nursery area, and those are some weeds that you see in the picture, but also there are a lot of plants that create flowers that would have bloomed later in the year that we use for dyes. So we're going to begin this series, and it's going to be really giving you some information specifically about alpacas, but really it'll be germane to thinking about goats or smaller livestock, sheep, potentially pigs, although not quite so directed, really ruminants that you could think about on your farm or your new homestead or whatever kinds of circumstances. Now, notice the difference in look here from actually one animal in this slide, the one on the left, and the one on the right, and it may even be the same one. And Stephanie, you may have taken these the day that we were shearing, and maybe you put these side by side because it looks like it could be before shearing and after shearing. And I'm not sure.
It is.
You know, is it? Is it the same one?
It is. It's Isaac.
So I thought it was Isaac. So all right. So Deb's back, and these are ones that were probably just shorn. Maybe this isn't right on the day they were shorn. So we're going to talk about earth-friendly alpacas and colonomic, or a number of other words that will describe them. And these are animals that you can raise just about anywhere in the world. They don't like warmer, humid weather. However, people have them in the United States here in southern Florida, in southern Texas, where it gets awful hot and awful humid. You do have to be careful with them in those elevated temperatures because they will tend to overheat. They have a lot of fleece. This picture was actually taken back in Virginia on about 100-degree day. This animal happens to be the newest addition to our farm, and I'll probably talk about him a little bit later. His name is Snowmass Matrix. Again, this is just different groups of animals in different locations on different parts of the farm. Here's one of our help that's actually feeding some grain, and on the right there's some babies. Just some really cool picture stuff. He's a really great photographer, just different kinds of angles looking at the sky. It's one of the reasons that we actually call our place Mountain Sky Ranch.